US chipmaker Micron has announced it will buy a facility in Taiwan for US $1.8 billion. Micron is Taiwan's largest foreign direct investor. It's expanding across the world, making huge investments in the US and Japan. So my question is, what's with this global push? Why would Micron buy this new factory in Taiwan now?
Right now in the memory space, particularly in DRAM, is facing a structural challenges. Shortage actually. So there's a couple ways you can fulfill the demand by expanding capacity. You either build a new fab, which will take 2 to 3 years from the break ground to the first wafer out, or you can do it like what they did this time with PSMC, is to acquire an existing fab. Well, you purchase the fab and you just need to replace the equipment inside the fab, then you can ramp up the production within less than a year, right? So, from Micron's perspective, the investment in Taiwan, and particularly this deal with PSMC, is really to increase their capacity in the shortest time possible.
We also know that Micron stock prices surged over 240% in 2025. So what is driving up these prices?
Given the structural shortage, basically the simple economics, right? Supply demand, right? And when you are significantly in a significant shortage, in what happened in DRAM is if you couldn't found enough supply, the buyer would just pile up the pricing, right? People biting the price and pile that higher. I think the shortage will probably last through 2027, right? So given that, right, it's really not surprising the pricing environments just continue being more and more favorable for Micron.
The other big news in Taiwan tech is the US-Taiwan trade deal. The government is using Micron to defend the deal. It published this infographic on January 17th, stating at the bottom, quote, Micron invested in Taiwan, but didn't become Taiwan Micron. TSMC investing in the US won't make it US SMC. Do you think this comparison is reasonable?
In Taiwan, really, we are just talking about TSMC, right? So the importance of that company going abroad and Micron going abroad for US or for Taiwan is significant different, right? I think the comparison is a little unreasonable, but I will also say the local concern is a little bit overstated.